In this video, you'll learn how to build monitoring agents for Moltbook. By following these steps, you will set up the necessary configurations within the OpenClaw control interface to effectively create and manage your monitoring agents. Begin by navigating to the OpenClaw control interface. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help facilitate a smooth interaction with the system. Once you're on the main page of OpenClaw Control, look for the prompt section where you will enter your commands. Next, click on the prompt area. This is typically located in the center of the interface. After clicking, you should see a blinking cursor indicating that you can start typing your command. This visual cue confirms that the system is ready to accept input. Type in the command, build monitoring agents for Moltbook. Be sure to enter it exactly as specified, as any deviation may lead to an error. Once you finish typing, take a moment to review your input to ensure accuracy before proceeding. After confirming that your command is correct, click on the send button. This button is usually positioned next to the prompt area. Once you click it, the system will process your request, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the command has been received. A message stating I added Moltbook monitoring agents will appear shortly after sending your command. This message confirms that the system has successfully initiated the build process for the monitoring agents. It is important to wait for this confirmation before proceeding to the next step. The system will then prompt you with a message saying, say push, and I'll push this commit to. This indicates that the build process is complete and you are now ready to push the changes. Take note of this message as it guides you to the next action required. Type in the word push into the prompt area. Once again, ensure that your input is accurate. After entering the command, click on the send button to execute this command. The system will then process your request and confirm that the push has been initiated. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.